Another little project I've been working on. The other day when I mowed, I let my grass dry for a day, which should have went ahead and dried for 2 days. And I made some mini bales. Yeah, and I also made some out of straw. So many straw bales there. You can see. I got 7 pretty tight hay bales, or grass bales per se. And to do that, I made this here mini baler. You put your grass or your straw in there, put this lever down, compresses it. This here is a stop. Pull it out and put it through this way. That's the bale stop. It's got a little bit of grass in there anyway. It goes up here, and as you compress it, it runs down the length of it. This here is a stop for the first bale. After you've made one, the first bale holds for the second one, but this is for to start out with. Give it a stop. That also serves as a stop down here, so that when you compress that, make that last compression on the bale. I got some of my boards in there. There. When you make that last stroke, that last compression stroke, you put this in kind of like that, and that's what holds the pressure on it. So you get your bale all squished up, and you put this stop in here, and of course that keeps tension on the bale, so you can tie it off. And I've got a couple hooks on the end of this, so you can pull your baler twine in between there. And also, I've got this hook here that I made. Put it through. Now, these 2 pieces here, I made these to go in between the bales while you've got them in the machine, so it's a little bit easier to get the rod through there. So you can put that down in there like that, right before you get ready to tie the bale off, and then it goes in there. Of course, it's a little bit deeper now than what it needs to be. It doesn't go quite that deep, but it's down in there to help guide this thing here to help guide that through there. You hook the twine on it and then pull it right back out. Tie that one off and then do the bottom. Same way. And then after you get that one tied, you pull out this stop here, which will be at that end of the bale. You put some more grass or straw or whatever you're baling in, enough to run that piece of plywood down, say to about right there, and then you put this in on this side of the plywood, so the plywood's on this side now. That way when it runs down here, where the bale's done, that piece is out of the way, and then you've got this next one to put in behind the other one to tie it off. It helps a little bit. Don't whip them bales out at one every 2 or 3 seconds like one only farmer does, that great big old baler he's got. But after you get a hang of tying them, it ain't too bad. I made those 7 bales in just a little bit. There's quite a bit of grass in those 7 bales. So, chickens will like that this winter. And people pay more money for them small straw bales like that than we do for those great big straw bales like that. I get them off a neighbor farmer for $3 a bale. Those go for about $6 a bale for just decoration. That bale will make a bunch of those bales. So that's what's been going on here at the barn. Also been busy making me some tandem axle wheel locks here. Supposedly this helps keep the camper from shaking so much when you walk around in it. That goes in there like that, and then you just take this little boom here, push that down like that, and it kind of locks the chocks, keeps them from moving. We'll see if it works.